Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to TMP Group. I'm Tom. Today's the 20th of January, 2022. Just wanted to jump on really quick and talk about Netflix and a trade that we are making in Netflix today. If you catch this video before the market ends and you decide to go along with us, fantastic. This has a 50-50 shot, and it is very speculative. It is very high risk. So this is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is a play that we believe that has a massive upside and a limited downside the way we're playing it, and that's why we're coming on to tell you about it right now, right here. Before I jump in, like I said, I want to remind you that this video is for entertainment purposes only, educational, not financial advice. If you like what you hear today, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. We're all about creating generational wealth. 80% of the positions that we hold as investors in the TMP Group are long-term legacy, what we would call blue chip stocks that will give us a return. Our commitment to anyone joining the TMP Group is to become a millionaire in the next 10 years. Whether you started a year ago, whether you started today, just put a timestamp on it. Stick with the stocks that we recommend as our core holdings, our legacy stocks, and we truly believe that you will become a millionaire in 10 years. Okay, so Netflix, what are we up against? About 15 minutes ago, and it is roughly, what time is it, Ola? It's about 12 o'clock here in Arizona. And one of the senior partners of the TMP Group came in and said, let's put a move or a position on Netflix for the earnings. An interesting fact that if you invested $1,000 in Netflix a year ago, January 19th, 2021, and you held Netflix through January 19th, 2022, you would be up an astonishing $32. So Netflix has traded pretty much sideways over the course of a year. Now, what do we know about Netflix? We know that many people have cut the cord. We know that many people are moving to streaming and have gone away from DirecTV and cable and gone to Netflix packages, as I have done. Netflix just increased its pricing. There are some catalysts with new Netflix shows coming out and Netflix series. The most important, as far as I'm concerned, is Friday, the season 4 of Ozark comes out, but Netflix reports its earnings today after hours. So what did we do? We jumped into the February 11th $215 calls. Cost us $2,640. I'm sorry, $2,640 per call. So we jumped in, bought some calls on Netflix. We ran it out through Feb 11, purely playing the catalyst of the earnings today. Now, we will not get as sharp of an increase or decrease having it all the way out to the 11th, but it does allow us to get out of it and put our risk at about a 30% risk, but put our upside right around a 60% upside. So that's what we're looking for here. Netflix, subsequently after buying these calls, had dropped about $3, so it's currently trading right around $212 right now. But we bought the 215 calls. 215 calls, February 11th, paid $2,640 per call. So that's the position we're in. I do not recommend you getting into options if you're not a savvy options trader. But if you are, those are the calls that we're making in the TMP Group. We love to call our shots. I'll come on and let you know if there are winners or losers. We don't need to be more than 50-50 on our wins and losses as long as our wins are higher than our losses. And I want to do a quick update on Lucid. Those of you following the channel know that the lockup expiration was at midnight last night. Looks like the Saudi PIF, private investment firm or public investment firm, is not selling shares like we thought they would. However, I am staying committed to my puts that I have because I believe that we will see Lucid go down somewhere between $35 and $38. So I am holding on to the remaining 2/3 of my Lucid Feb 4's 44 puts. And as you remember, I bought 3 groups of 3, so 9 puts. I sold out of 3 of them when we hit a 38% return, and Lucid got down to the 38.90 mark. Now it's back up in the 42s, but I do see that Lucid will, before February 4th, hit that somewhere between $35 and $38. My exit strategy will be to sell half of the puts that I have when it goes below 38, and then another half of the shares when it goes below 36. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that you follow us. Hope that you hit the like button. Appreciate you stopping in today. This is just a quick update on Netflix earnings, how we're playing the earnings. Like I said, Netflix has been flat most of the year. It's had some very highs and it's had some lows. But I usually don't like to play or make a trade going into earnings. However, Netflix has not been running up into earnings. The market is green today. We expect that we'll see some volatility. There'll be choppiness the next couple of weeks. So we did buy the February 11th $215 calls, paid $2,640 for each one. And subsequently, Netflix has dropped. Oh, we'll see where we end up tomorrow. I wish everyone a prosperous rest of the day, a prosperous trading week, and a prosperous 22. Thanks for jumping in, and I hope to see you on the next video.